Ever had your toolbox light up by itself when you open it in the dark? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's actually real now. One of the tools on this list literally comes with built-in LED lights, no flashlight needed. Whether you're fixing your car, cleaning your home, or just organizing your setup like a pro, these tools are designed to make life easier, faster, and smarter. And trust me, a few of them will surprise you. So let's dive into 15 new tools that you must have to completely change the way you get things done. If you love a spotless shine, the Flex 24V Random Orbital Polisher is your best friend. It's built for smooth, consistent performance, even under pressure. With up to 8,700 orbits per minute and 11 speed settings, you can fine-tune every detail. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, and the quiet gear head minimizes vibration, so you can work longer comfortably. It runs on dual 5.0 AH batteries, giving you cordless freedom to move around a car, boat, or even furniture project without dragging cables. Comes with 5-inch and 6-inch plates for versatility. Whether you're detailing for clients or just love your ride shining bright, this tool makes it effortless. Here's something that turns a tough task into a breeze: the Milwaukee M18 Rebar Cutter. Forget the noise and sparks of abrasive wheels. This cutter handles 1 to 1¼ inch rebar in just 2 seconds flat. That's pure muscle. The high-output XC 6.0 battery gives you up to 240 cuts per charge, so it's built for heavy days on site. Plus, the cold carbide teeth mean cleaner, safer cuts without heat or sparks. The rapid stop brake halts the blade in under a second, keeping things safe when working fast. Blade changes are simple too: strong, efficient, and rugged. This tool is built for serious pros who don't have time to waste. Here's a small tool that pulls big weight. The Wolfcraft snap-off blade knife feels like it was made for your hand. Solid metal body, comfortable soft grips, and perfectly balanced. The auto-lock blade system clicks securely when you're slicing through cardboard, plastic, or heavy materials. And for tougher cuts, you can tighten it further using the safety knob. What really makes it smart? It's got an internal blade magazine holding 8 spare blades that load automatically. No tools, no downtime, no fuss. Just snap, replace, and keep working. It's compact enough to carry everywhere, but durable enough to last years. For something so small, it'll probably become one of your most used tools. Meet the Saker Mini Chainsaw, a tiny but mighty cutting tool that feels way easier than handling a full-size saw. Weighing just about a kilo, it's super light yet strong enough to slice through branches or wood with ease. The high-efficiency copper motor delivers sharp, clean cuts, while the guide chain stays smooth even after repeated use. It's powered by a rechargeable 20V lithium battery that keeps you going for hours. Setup? Less than a minute. Safety's built in too, with a double lock system and a chip guard to protect your hands and eyes. It's perfect for quick yard work, camping trips, or small woodworking projects. Easy to carry, easy to use, this one is just practical genius. Cutting cables shouldn't feel like wrestling steel, and with the Knipex ratchet cable cutter, it doesn't. Designed for professionals, this cutter delivers power and precision in one sleek tool. It's got foldable blades with 3 cutting edges, perfect for both circular and longitudinal cuts. The 3-stage safety catch clicks solidly into place every time, giving you confidence and control. But the real star is the ratcheting mechanism. It multiplies your effort, slicing through even the thickest cables without strain. No sparks, no slipping, just clean, efficient cuts. Whether you're working in tight spaces or handling large underground cables, this tool makes the job faster, safer, and surprisingly effortless. Long hours at work go faster with good music, and Flex nailed that idea with their 24V Stack Pack radio. It's built to deliver crisp, booming sound on site with 2 full-range speakers and a subwoofer. Whether you're blasting rock or tuning into podcasts, it keeps up. The Bluetooth range? Up to 150 feet. You can even link 2 radios for stereo surround sound. It's IP64 rated, meaning it's dust and water resistant, so a little dirt or rain won't hurt. Plus, it charges your flex batteries while playing, keeping your tools and tunes powered all day. And yes, it snaps right onto your stack pack system for easy transport. A real worksite upgrade that brings both productivity and vibes. This is freedom. No air hose, no compressor, just raw nailing power. The Flex 24V framing nailer can fire up to 3 nails per second with 0 lag, delivering power and speed that rivals pneumatic tools. It drives over 1,000 nails on a single charge using a 5.0 AH battery. Depth adjustment? Just twist. Mode switching? One click. And the dry fire lockout keeps your work clean by preventing misfires. It even includes built-in LED lights for dim workspaces and a belt hook for easy carry. Works perfectly with 2 inches to 3.5 inch nails. If you're framing, decking, or building anything structural, this tool is a total game changer.
Don't underestimate its size. The Skil PowerCore 12V impact driver packs a serious punch. It delivers 1,500 inch-pounds of torque and a compact body that easily fits tight corners and overhead spaces. Its digital brushless motor ensures long life and smooth speed control, while 3 precision modes let you handle both delicate screws and heavy fasteners. The built-in halo light gives you full visibility, 5 times brighter than standard LEDs. The 12V battery even includes a USB-C port, so you can charge your phone right on site. Lightweight, smart, and strong, this impact driver feels like a pocket-sized powerhouse that's built for real-world work. When safety's on the line, nothing beats reliability, and the Harbor Freight Daytona heavy-duty jack stands are as solid as they come. Each pair supports up to 6,000 pounds, built from reinforced steel with welded braces for rock-solid stability. The ratcheting height system is smooth and easy, while the double lock pin gives you extra peace of mind under the vehicle. Whether you're doing oil changes or brake work, these stands keep you secure and steady. They meet strict ASME standards, so you know they're legit. Every mechanic knows, good tools help, but strong safety gear keeps you around to use them. If cleaning feels like a workout, this tool will change your routine. The Ryobi telescoping power scrubber takes the hard out of hard-to-reach spots. With an extendable handle reaching up to 51 inches, you can clean high corners or bathroom tiles without stretching or dragging out a ladder. The powerful motor delivers real torque, cutting through dirt and soap scum easily. Its 6-position articulating head lets you adjust angles while keeping control. And it's fully water-resistant, up to 3 feet deep. Whether it's tile, tubs, or outdoor furniture, you can swap brush heads and keep cleaning non-stop. Best part? It runs on any Ryobi 18V1 Plus battery. You'll clean smarter, faster, and way easier than ever before. Concrete? Meet your match. The Skil XP rotary hammer was built to handle the toughest surfaces, drilling, chiseling, and hammering with ease. Its digital brushless motor delivers strong, consistent torque for demanding work, while the SDS Plus chuck system makes bit changes quick and painless. You've also got a built-in LED for dark areas and constant speed control to keep performance smooth even under heavy load. The vibration-reducing handle adds comfort and control, so your hands don't feel like jelly after hours of use. It's the kind of tool that turns heavy-duty work into a surprisingly smooth job. This one is a garage essential. The Ryobi dual-function lighted creeper or seat transforms from a low creeper to a comfy seat in seconds. Perfect for rolling under cars or long detailing sessions. But here's the genius. 2 built-in LED lights pump out up to 800 lumens right where you need it. Flood mode gives you full area lighting, while spotlight mode helps with precision work. The chemical-resistant cushion handles all kinds of messes, and heavy-duty casters roll smoothly across the floor. It also has built-in storage and a link accessory rail with a bonus parts bin. Once you use this setup, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If plumbing's your game, this one's gold. The Milwaukee M12 Chain Snake is a lightweight but powerful drain cleaner built for pros and DIYers alike. At just 10 pounds, it's the lightest in its class, yet on the floor, the hybrid design adapts easily. The fixed drum shield keeps mess and splashback under control while the built-in LED lights up dark cabinets and sinks. Powered by Milwaukee's red lithium battery and protected by RedLink tech, it prevents overheating and delivers reliable torque every time. It even comes with a 25-foot cable, charger, and a 5-gallon storage bucket. Clean drains, clean setup, zero stress.
The DeWalt DCS 785 miter saw is that one tool that makes anyone feel like a pro. With its double gliding design, you can make precise miter and bevel cuts effortlessly. Whether you're trimming, framing, or building furniture, this saw delivers clean, repeatable results. Its runtime is impressive, over 370 cuts in MDF molding per charge. Regenerative braking even recycles energy during cuts, giving your battery extra life. Plus, DeWalt's wireless tool control lets it sync with a dust collector to capture 97% of debris before it flies. Compatible with both 20V Max and FlexVolt batteries, it's powerful, efficient, and built for the long haul. The kind of saw that makes every cut feel smooth, accurate, and satisfying. Ever dealt with standing water or a flooded basement corner? The DeWalt 20V Max transfer pump makes that headache disappear fast. It's completely cordless and self-priming. Just set it up and it starts pumping water like magic. It's not just for plumbers either. Homeowners will love how simple it is. It even handles a 60/40 propylene glycol mix, making it great for HVAC and heating jobs too. The LED power switch makes it easy to see what's happening, even in dark crawl spaces. Compact, lightweight, and built tough, you can move it anywhere without tangling hoses or extension cords. When water's spilling, you don't want a heavy tool. This one keeps things quick, efficient, and clean.
And that's it! 15 new tools that you must have to make your work faster, smarter, and easier. From cleaning to cutting, organizing to detailing, each one brings something fresh to the table. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more amazing tools coming your way.